To whom does the future belong? To those who meet the challenges of our time, not with sheer size, but with intelligence, creativity, and skill. We are inspired by people. Together with you, we bring passion and expertise to the brand, creating its unique personality. We listen to understand. No one knows your wishes better than you do, and no one listens to them better than we do. We find answers. We create solutions to take your processes to a new level of efficiency. We act together with you, in a spirit of trust. You can rely on us every day. We create the future. We provide pioneering answers to the important questions of our time, shaping the future of intralogistics. We call what we do, how we think, and what drives us, smart. It is more than intralogistics. It's intralogistics with an attitude. Think smart. Act orange. We are still.